Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take a literature class and our today's topic is, students look here, English for today, Unit 7, 8, 9, 10 reading down. EFT means English for today. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. I am showing you the book in the book. This is Unit 7, Lesson 1 to 3. How old are you? This is the unit's title is How old are you? Exercise A is look, listen and say. How old are you? This girl is asking the other girl that how old are you? And the girl says, I am 7 years old. Number B, look, listen and say. This boy says, hi Shubha, are you 7 years old? And this girl says, yes I am. That means this girl's name is Shubha. And now this boy says, hello Mina, are you 7 years old? This girl says, no I'm not, I'm 8. That means this girl's name is 8. That means Shubha is 7 years old and Mina is 8 years old. Now go to the next page. This is also Unit 7. Exercise A. Write the first letter of the word for each picture. Okay, just there are some pictures and the pictures and the words of these pictures. We have to write the first letter of the word of this picture. The first picture, this is bat. So bat starts with the letter B. The second picture is jeep. Jeep starts with J. Third picture is lion. Lion starts with L. The fourth picture is egg and egg starts with E. Fifth picture is sun. Sun starts with S. And the last picture is hat and hat starts with H. Now exercise C. Write the capital letter for each letter. That means just look, number B is not important for you. So we have skipped number B. Number C, write the capital letter for each letter. Just look, there are some small letters from A to Z. And we have to write the capital letter of that small letter. Like the first one, this is small letter A. This is capital A. B, capital B. C, capital C. Small letter D, capital D. Capital E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now go to the next unit, next page and the next unit. This is Unit 8 and the chapter title is Numbers. Look, count and say. That means at first you have to count and you have to say that how many things are here in each line. In the first row, how many mangoes are here, you have to count and say that. And in the next picture also, how many apples are here and you have to say this. How many oranges are here and you have to say this. And this is very easy for you, I think. Number B, say, trace and write. This is 11, 12 and 13. There are some dots here and you have to fill up the dots at first, and then in this row you have to write 11 as the first number is 11 here, so here you have to write 11. 12 here you have to, in this line you have to write 12, and 13 is here and you have to write 13 in this line. Now exercise number C. Say the number, count and circle. At first just look, the first one is done for you. This is 11. Okay, just look, there are some ants here. There are some ants and you have to circle only 11 ants. The first one is done for you. Now the second one you have to do this. This is 11. Just look, there are lots of eggs here and we have to circle only 11 as the number is given here, 11. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to write this 11x. Okay, you have to circle this. Now this is number 12, and now you have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just look, there are some more. 1 is here, but you have to circle only 12 caps. Now this is 13, and look, total number is 13 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have to circle the 13 balls here, as the number is given here, 13. Now go to the next page. How many? Here we have to say that how many. Number A, look, listen and say. How many apples? There are 4 apples. Okay, just look here, the girl has 4 apples and the boy says there are 4 apples. And just look here, the boy takes 1 apple. Now there are 3 apples. Number B, now exercise number B, count and write the numbers. Just look, this is the picture, and some things are here: cows, heart, trees, flowers, man, crow, hen, all the things are here, and you have to count it and write the numbers. At first, the cow, this is the picture of cow, and you have to write the number beside this. So look at the picture, how many cows are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just look, there are 2 cows here. So there are 4 cows. The number is 4. This is the picture of heart. How many hearts are here? 1, 2, 3. 3. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees. Flowers. How many flowers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. How many men is here? Only 1 man is here. So we have to write here 1. Crow. How many crows are there? 1, 2 and 3. Look at the picture and you have to count it and write the number here. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 crows are here. So we have to write number 3 here after the picture of crow. Now this is the picture of hen. Look at the picture, students. How many hens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total 8 hens are here. So we have to write here 8. Now look at the picture, exercise number C. Look at the picture in activity B. Ask and answer with how many. The first one is done for you. How many cows? There are 4 cows. So the next question is how many hearts? There are 3 hearts. How many trees? There are 4 trees. How many flowers? There are 7 flowers. How many men? There is only 1 man. How many crows? There are 3 crows. How many hens? There are 8 hens. Now go to the next unit. This is Unit 9 and the unit's title is I'm in. Look at this girl. I'm Joya. I'm 7 years old. I'm in class 2. This girl's name is Joya. She is 7 years old and she is in class 2. Look and say. He is Reja, 7 years old, class 2. This girl's name is Zara, 6 years old, class 1. Shonabi, 7 years old, class 2. Ratul, 8 years old, class 3. And now the girl says he's Reza, he is 7 years old. And this boy says he is in class 2. That means they are talking about Reza. Number C is introduce yourself. Introduce a partner. Use the words in activities A and B. That means when you are talking about age and the class with your friends, you can use this style. That means you can follow this style. That means while you are introducing yourself. Okay. Now go to the next page. This is also Unit 9. Say and write. This is numbers review. Say and write. This is 1. O-N-A 1. Number 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-W 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10 is T-E-N 10. Number B. Join the dots and color. Just look, students, I have already joined these dots. You just follow the numbers. Okay, then you can join this. Now this is the structure of a jeep and you have to color it. Now exercise C. Listen and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the fish from 1 to 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count the fish from 1 to 10. Now the last unit for today is unit 10. This is also about numbers. Look, count and say. This is exercise A. Okay, and after counting you get 14, 15 and here 16. So number B is say, trace and rise. Just look here, there are some dots here. At first you have to fill up the dots. This is 14 and you have to fill up this line with 14. This is 15, you have to fill up the lines with 15. This is 16 and you have to fill up the lines with 16. Number C, say the number, count and color. This is 14. You have to at first you have to count total 14 numbers and then you have to circle this and then you have to color the pictures. This is also 14. Just look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to circle here 14 shoes. This is, the number is 15. 15 caps. So there are total 16 caps here. Out of 16 you have to select 15 and circle that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you have to circle here 15 caps. This is number 16. Look, total 16 fishes. So you have to circle this. Total 16 fish. So you have to circle 16 fish. Now go to the next page. I am ... That means this is also part of how can you introduce yourself. Number A, look, listen and say, draw and write about yourself. That means in this box you have to write about yourself. And this girl's name is Meena, age is 8 and class 3. And you have to write about yourself here. Number B, write. Copy the sentences in your exercise book. She is Meena. She is 8 years old. She is in class 3. And here you have to write about yourself. This is your information. Number C, read and match. She is Shubha. She is 7 years old. She is class 2. He is Rafi. He is 7 years old. He is in class 2. So you have to just match it. Students, look. This is Shubha and this is Rafi. Okay, students? Okay, students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay stable. Take care. Allah Hafiz.